Have you ever dreamt of owning a pre-construction condo, but the idea seemed scary and risky, so you hesitated? Well, today I'm here to turn that dream into reality by sharing some amazing benefits and valuable tips. First and foremost, let's talk about the incredible appreciation and equity buildup. As your property takes shape during construction, its value typically appreciates, potentially leading to significant profits upon completion. Another fantastic perk is customization. As a buyer, you'll get hand-picked from various floor plans, views, layouts, and finishing touches, ensuring the property aligns perfectly with your preferences. Last but not least, new construction condos often come with modern amenities and the latest technology, promising top-notch living experiences. To navigate the potential risks, it's crucial to choose pre-construction properties crafted by reputable developers with a track record of successful projects. Additionally, carefully reviewing your pre-construction purchase agreements and making sure you fully understand its terms and conditions before signing is crucial. For example, if your agreement includes an escalation clause, this allows the developer to adjust the contracted price before condo completion. So are you ready to embark on your pre-construction journey? Well, reach out to me today and let's get started on your path to a rewarding real estate investment.